Hello. This video, we're going to talk about how to memorize polyatomic ions because at least, the first learning, we have to memorize at least 17 ions. When I read on the left side here, it's good. We can learn how to read like carbonate ion, nitrate ion, something like that. We have to keep this to practice how to read it. But the right one, this side, I just create, and make it to be 5 groups of these ions for me to easy to memorize. The first group of ions is very simple. I just put together the one that like hydroxide, cyanide, because they have only one negative charge ion, and then we put together. And the second one is special because we can write into a different way. I like this way, C2H3O2, but however, I just keep 2 because, to format here, and then I can memorize it. And then number 3, I just put all the ions that have 3 oxygen, the same group. This one I cut half because this one is like 1 negative charge and then I put together, and this one 2 negative charge and then I put together. But they all have, 3 oxygen. Number 4, I put number 4 because all 4 oxygen, you see here, 4 oxygen. The first one, ammonia, is an +1 charge, and then why I put number 1, and then permanganate ion I put here because have negative charge 1, and then after that I just put negative charge 2, here together, and then this one I separate a little bit phosphate because negative charge 3, and the last one, group 5, is special because have 7 oxygen, and then I just put in this group. Another thing that I have to memorize is when the oxygen change in ions, we will write or read in a different way. For example, this one, normally, NO, this is NO3 nitrate ion, right? When only 2 oxygen will become a nitrite. It's different, right? And then, however, if add more oxygen, for example, this one, normally the 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 basic one is a bromate, like this bromate, right? And then when we put oxygen to 4 oxygen instead of 3 oxygen, will be per bromate. Just put per in front, that's all. This one that I learned to remember, how to read polyatomic ions. Okay, today we just, finish clip video for now, and then we can see another one later. All right.